The word command has three different meanings in Linux. So the first is a command is just a program. Here, just let's change my mouse. Yeah, command is just a program. So command is just a program. So this is an executable program named and executed by a single word, such as the ls here, ls, or a similar feature built into the shell, such as the cd here. Actually, let's say, yeah, ls, cd, cat, and goes like that. So we also, the command is also can be a similar command. So this is a program name or a shell built in, actually the simple here, simple. So this is a shell built in or optional followed by an argument, such as here the simple command is like ls, and here it calls the l here, and after that the, for example, home. So this is a simple command. And we also have a combined command. Combined command. So this is several simple commands treated as a unit in combined command here. So let's actually write something like that. So we have ls here. So after that it's l, and let's spin here, or home, and after that we are using the pipeline here, and then we are writing less. For example, this is a combined command. So why I'm telling combined is that, for example, here we are using a program. So we are using program here. So ls is a program, this is a program. Also the ls here is also program, but ls home is a simple command. So this is simple command, simple command here. So also these two are the, what I said, the program. But here all of these are a combined command. Oops, actually let's delete that. Yeah, all of these are a combined command. So here it is the combined. This is all of this code here, the command here is a combined command. So in this course, I will use the word command in all these ways. So usually the surrounding context will make clear which one I mean, but if not, I will use one of the more specific terms in our next lectures here.